Mr. Plow here from Recreational Power Sports, aka Steven. Just going to go through the Click-N-Go 2.0 plows that we got here. So Click-N-Go is built by Kimpex. They're a great product. They are the only product we stock because they do such a good job and they're so easy to use. So first off, as we're looking at this one here, this is a 60-inch plow. So 60 inches wide, obviously, good for ATVs, so when you pivot them, you don't drive over the windrow. A couple nice features we added to this unit are the drift cutters on both sides. Keeps your windrows in your plow, per se, so the windrows don't fly out and you're driving over them with your tracks or your tires. So it just keeps it nice and clean and tidy. We got the markers here so you can see where you're going. This unit itself, the 2.0, has 5-position turning. So basically all you do is you step down on this and then you have the ability to twist it to 5 different positions, to the left or to the right, whichever way you're going. Very easy to move, very easy to turn. So you got adjustable pucks for your skegs so that you can adjust them up or down so that you can adjust how much snow you're leaving. So if you have a gravel base, you don't have to take all the gravel with you, you just leave a little bit of snow there. This is the extended 2.0 frame. The reason we have the extended 2.0 frame is because we got the tracks here. The extension is it pushes the whole plow forward so that you could still pivot it and your tracks don't hit your plow, and just works better with the track kit in general. And then this is the Click-N-Go system, so it's nice and easy to install onto the unit with your winch cable. So when you release your winch cable, you'll run it down through here and click it onto this spot here. When you lift it up, it becomes floating on the back end. You just lift it up and you slide it into place. The next video we do will be showing how easy it is to do it.